Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to set up the Steam AutoFriend. So what is the AutoFriend? It's the small open source project I built for fun. Of course, it's gonna solve your problem if you're looking for auto accepting the friend requests coming from on the Steam platform. So if you're someone that expects a lot of friend requests or wanna send a message to the people that add you, like, look, I'm busy, contact me here, or like, listen, I'll be like, you could just give them anything you want. Basically, it's going to send one custom message once the friend request is accepted. Also, it's going to check for the offline requests, etc. So yeah, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, like, and join our Discord server. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so there will be three things that we need in this tutorial. First thing is Node.js. Link is down in the description. Exact version we need is 15.2.1. I'll be showing you guys how to actually get the how to actually install the Node.js, but it's basically just an installer. You run it, go next, and finish. So that'll be pretty simple and straightforward. I don't think I have it downloaded the installer, but I have installed the Node.js. To check if you have installed it correctly, after you run the installer, you just type node/v. So yeah, if you're looking to run multiple versions of Node.js on your machine, I recommend using something called nvm. So as you can see, I have multiple versions, but I'll make a separate tutorial on how to actually do this. So second thing that we actually need is this software, and the third thing that we need is the account that we want to run the software on. So if you're running this on the main account, so it's going to be a little bit tricky to get the codes you need for the authenticator to work with the app. But if you're running this on any account with the Steam Desktop Authenticator, I made a separate tutorial on how to actually extract shared secret and identity secret codes. So that's down in the description, so feel free to watch that tutorial. I think audio is a bit worse on that one, but I think it's still pretty clear. Okay, so I'm going to download the files for the software. You go here from the master branch and just download the zip file. After the zip file is downloaded, okay, I already have the Node.js, so I'm going to show you guys how the installation works. Just run this. It's going to say I already have it. Go next, and just finish. You won't need to configure anything. It's going to work out of the box. After you've done that, maybe you would need to restart your PC, but I don't think you need. Just type node/v. If this pops up, you're good to go. Okay, so let's see. We extract this Steam AutoFriend, and it's going to give us the folder with the files. So next thing you would want to do is install it. Just run the install.bat file. After that, it's going to invite you to my Discord server. Join for new notifications, updates, etc., new projects. So yeah, I would really appreciate it if you joined. Also, it's going to install dependencies, which are from the package.json. What are the dependencies? Basically the code required, which it's basically like the code from my app requires another code to actually run the stuff. You can see a list of dependencies here. It's pretty small, but yeah. So after that's been downloaded and installed, next thing we would want is to configure the application. So you go to the app and then to the settings. This is the only thing that we want to edit. I'm going to use Notepad in this tutorial. You could use VS Code or any other text editor, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to open this in the Notepad and then just guide it through the settings. So what we have here is account name, password, and a shared secret. Shared secret is the code used to generate two-factor authenticator codes with your mobile authenticator. So to actually get this, you would need to have something like SDA, which I made a tutorial on once again. But for this tutorial, I'm going to set this to false. So if you have an account that doesn't use two-factor authenticator, you can just turn this off and leave this blank. So for the account name and the passwords, I'm going to configure that off camera, but it's pretty straightforward. So the login account name that you use to log in into your account and the password, and bot is going to do that for you. Okay, so then we have these settings. For example, you could set, for example, I'm AFK or something, and you could set this custom message, and then you can set something. It's going to say playing non-Steam games something. So basically straightforward. You can invite people to groups and like give them a welcome message once they add you, like hi, how can I help you, and then you can leave the percentage to replace it with the username of the user, etc. And also you could toggle what will bot do. Will it accept offline or only online requests once the bot is started, etc. So pretty straightforward, won't go much in depth into it. I'm going to actually configure the I'm just going to type in the information and then test out the software. Okay, that should be it. Now let's run the app and see if it works. Okay, so we run the app by clicking on start.bat, and you should get a terminal, and here you have the display on what bot is currently doing. Okay, so yeah, if you have the code but don't actually have the authenticator codes, you could use your authenticator. I forgot to actually set up in my tutorial on that exact account. So basically, yeah, I also showed how to encrypt this. So okay, so yeah, I'm going to copy the code, and you can also run it like this. It's basically like logging in. You could use it like this if you're using it on your main account, for example, so you don't have to actually dig up the codes from your phone. But yeah, if you don't want to do this each time, you could just go and use the Steam Desktop Authenticator. Okay, so yeah, setting the custom play message, etc. Let's just check the account. What is the account doing? Okay, it's in Don't Steam Games something. So if someone has you on your friend list, it's going to see that you're playing something. if it doesn't, it's going to say that you're in game, but not in which game, I think, if it doesn't have you on the friend list. So let's quickly let's go here in the friends, and then add a friend. Okay, so friends, add a friend, copy the code. Okay, so let's demonstrate this. This is the limited account, so yeah, I'm going to unfriend it. Steam, I think, glitched out. Yeah, okay, for some reason that didn't want to work, but okay. Yeah, it says non-Steam game, and it doesn't say anything else. If we add the friend, it should accept our, yeah, how can I help you? So yeah, as you can see here, Steam ID deleted us from the friend list, added us, now we're friends. I invited it to the group, I'm already in that group. I sent welcome message to this Steam ID, which is my main account. Hi, how can I help you? And that's about it. So if this is useful to you, once again, leave a like, subscribe, join our Discord server, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye everyone.